This is the street area. This is the side of the house in the front of the driveway. Look, there is 1, 2, 3 royal palms, a Bismarck palm, and it's in an elevated and it's an uneven surface with rocks in between. So what happens? The landscaper cannot mow this correctly. It doesn't get sun, it gets shade all day long. It's an uneven surface with tight ends. The landscaper can't use a mower. He has to use his line trimmer or weed eater in order to do this. He's cutting it at scalped, high, low. It's never, ever going to look. It never has and never will, unless they invent a new species of grass that can handle this, which they don't. It will never look right. The only solution has been for years is every few years you completely resod it. That is it. Look over here on this side, you've got the same problem. All we can do is we can kill the weeds that grow, but we can't make the grass grow in this environment. It's just, you can see the grass is just thinning out. It's got spots. Nothing can really be done about this situation.